Okay, how's it going out there? Good? All right. The directions ask us to find the reference angle and the quadrant that the angle is in. All right, so let's look at this example. We have 135 degrees. So first thing I did when they asked me to find the reference angle and the quadrant, first thing I did is I drew my XY axis, so to speak, but not XY axis. I drew my grid system, so it's helpful. And I forgot to label my quadrants. So I'm also going to label the quadrants because they're asking me for quadrants. So I want to make certain I have them in the correct order. Okay. I've also labeled each of the boundary lines so it was easier to see where the angle would fall. Now, first things first, we have 135 degrees. Well, that's very easy to determine. It's in quadrant 2, isn't it? All right, so we've got this as a quadrant 2 angle. Okay, sometimes you go for the easy answers first. But now I need the reference angle. So, since it's in quadrant 2, remember, reference angles are always off of the x-axis. Always. Remember that. Always from the x-axis. You're like, so why'd you label the y's? Just as a point of understanding for where quadrants 1 and 2 cut off and quadrants 3 and 4 cut off. That's all. Okay, so since 135 degrees is in quadrant 2, to find the reference angle, I'm going to go from the x-axis into quadrant 2. So when I go in this direction, that's opposite of the labeling, isn't it? The labeling goes this direction, but you're going the opposite direction. And when you go the opposite direction of the labeling, you're going to end up subtracting. Good? All right, so here's the deal. We know 135 degrees is in quadrant 2. The question is, 180 degrees minus what is 135 degrees? What was that? 45 degrees. Your reference angle is a 45-degree angle. Cool? Okay. So, I've got some problems coming your way. And these problems are not only in degrees, but they're also in radians. So, before you look at my answer key video, make sure you do the work, especially the one in radians, because those are the ones that are usually a little iffy for some of us. Good? Okay. Catch you guys on the flip side.